The operation method of the recorder. First, on our left side, this is our volume adjustment. Brightness adjustment. This is our settings menu. Then return to the main interface. This is a setting for our recorder. Here you can switch between the front and rear cameras. We click on the recorder. Here we can switch between front and rear dual screen. Gene. One-click photo. Video lock. Including video playback. Return. And our front camera can rotate 360 degrees. This is our Apple phone screen projection software. This is an Android screen projection software. First, we click on Carplay, including Android and Apple mirroring, and Bluetooth music. First, we open Carplay on our iPhone. Find Bluetooth. Find this device, Bluetooth name. Then tap on download.